gotta keep going, bro.
Like, dude, don't fucking do it, dog. Don't be that guy.
That one tire fire, bro.
Open this. Time to get this thing tuned today. See how much it puts out. Over here at Animal Auto. Got some R32s. Let's see how much it puts out.
I guess so.
R32.
Before you do anything.
Tome exhaust. Word. Oh, what? Gotta be ready for that turbo fire, bro.
Look at the license plate. Look at the front license plate.
What is that?
Holy shit.
Oh, what the hell? Hey, can you do that one more time? I didn't get that. Oh, no shit, that's hard.
I used to live in Japan, so I wanted my shit to be like 100%.
Yeah. That was tight. What the fuck?
What?
Let's see this one more time.
That's gangster.
Bro, hold on. Check this out.
No. What did you do? No, what?
Check it out.
Oh, what the
That's sick.
That's sick. That's different, man. I ain't never seen that.
Right?
I've only seen it on the front license plates.
Really? Oh,
Yeah,
they go under, huh?
They go under, yeah.
They go down and under? I've seen that. I've never seen that. Andrew did this one?
Was that?
Andrew did this one?
Nah, this is all me, man.
Oh, dang.
Okay.
I do all my own work.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Nice.
Omari factory?
Yeah.
Is it a crate motor?
Pretty much. It came out of a wreck, so
Oh, okay.
technically.
Nice.
It never sounded like country, bro. It really sounded like
It kept the twin turbo setup?
Was that?
Twin turbo setup?
Yeah. I'm a purist, man. Some guys are like, oh, big dick, fucking one single turbo, blah blah. Nah,
Yeah.
I'm good, man. A purist. It's fast and it's fast enough for me. I just wanted a little bit more fast. There's stuff because I'm running a stock ECU now, so there's stuff that's not unlocked on this motor. And to break it in, I was using a stock ECU, but I think I've broken it, fairly well already. So
Yeah.
now it's time for a haul test.
for the big boy too. You know how much it was putting up for? Stock box?
It's nothing. It's north of 400. I can tell you that.
Oh, okay.
But
You got ITBs on it, bro.
Does it?
Yeah. Right? You got ITBs? Yeah.
that's how we go.
Pusher fans and a clutch fan? Damn.
So these is how 32s look.
That's nice.
So whose Nissan is that?
Fifth.
It's yours? What are you doing to it?
Tuning it today. Andrew built he put Fords and Turtles in it like December. Got it up and running.
And are you still on RB25 here?
That's a 2016.
Okay.
You got Haltech standalone in here too?
What was that?
You got a Haltech standalone?
Yeah, it has a help tip. She's running like shit right now. That's why we're here as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, mine's nowhere near as good as it was. It's a work in
Yeah,
progress.
GTR is a GTR, man.
Like, it's still a GTR, dude. Like, there's nothing you can really even complain about.
Thank you. It's just got injectors, the Haltech ECU, the Garrett G25.
Is that
550.
DC Sports makes shit for this car?
Yeah,
Really? I thought that was a Honda thing.
I thought so too. But yeah, and then I just put like a power steering cooler because I would like boil my power steering on track. But other than that, it's just simple.
Hey man, you're gonna hit a wall.
Oh, right there, bro.
The only thing is, I wish I had a coil rad. Other than that,
I don't know, man. Everybody's like, oh, Mishimoto. I got a Mishimoto.
I mean, it had it because it was ease of access. You know?
it's. I like it. I haven't had a problem with it. It's big.
No, it hasn't failed me yet, but it's just
Failed me, like, cause believe it or not, they
being late, man.
no, it's okay.
there you
I
go.
got to my truck this morning and like fucking shit's like this. I'm like, oh, god damn, someone fucked my tire. I got a flat. Dude, the valve. So I go put air in it, and the valve stem like cracked around the rubber, dude.
It's popped out.
But you know what's funny? Like my front one did it. It's like, I think it's just like the Ford stock valve stem seals are starting to fucking go out. It's a brand new truck. It's like it only lasts like 2 or 3 years, surprisingly.
Yeah.
I haven't seen this car in so long.
Right?
Cool.
How's it look now?
It's the same. Blow off valves. Who else is getting there? Who else is getting here? You are? Hi. Andrew. Joe. Andrew.
Nice to meet you.
Andrew.
New.
Share our Corona. Andrew.
Nice to meet you, Andrew.
I built this one, right? The motor?
Yeah, maybe.
This is the one that I... Yeah, right?
Yeah, this is what you built.
It's on the same tune, right? Same injector?
Same injector.
Should run fine.
1300.
Should run
Different turbo though.
Okay, but still should run normal.
Oh yeah, it runs. Okay. It runs
Drivability-wise.
decent. Yeah, it runs decent.
Okay. Did we change cams?
Yeah.
So then it should run different.
It does run different. I just put when I started it, I put more.
Did you have stock
fuel.
cams?
Yeah.
And we put
BC
stage 2s.
with a 12mm lip.
Stage 2s.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I don't run anything larger than stage 2. Still internal gate. Oh shit, you got a G series?
Yeah.
Damn, I'm excited. I haven't mounted one yet.
It's gonna go.
I'm excited. Well, we haven't broke it in yet though, huh?
I had it running for a few hours. Drove it around a little bit. Probably not. No, I haven't hit boost at all in the turbo yet.
Okay. You have oil?
Yeah.
Okay. When you open up the shop, let me get some cars out.
I feel like they might not tune for peak power, because it was talking about if Sam broke it in or not yet.
Oh, that.
Yeah, it's a brand new motor and everything, you know?
Yeah.
Not to be driven off the premise, I'll lay up. That's fine too.
Damn. Ooh, these SP3s, bro.
When this shit comes legal though.
Damn. This is my first time seeing this in person, bro. So Andrew said that the owner of that car is a little discreet, so can't get a rear end shot.
This guy.
It looks so good though. Oh, look at this shit. Those are SP3s, not in the front. Alright, yeah, it's all good, man. Yeah, same here, dude.
You don't see those, but you don't see this.
Yeah, this is my first time seeing one in person, bro. And Spec. Damn, dude. This thing in person is freaking insane right here. Rambo brakes too.
What the heck is HKS power?
HKS cam system. Cam system? Interesting.
So as far
Oil
as
relocation, gradient intake manifold, HKS full rail. Very nice. Need that because look how hard it is to get into the oil filter.
So
This guy must be a HKS fan.
set it up and then why don't we do this? I'll charge you the normal price for the tune.
Ready. G ready. It looks like most everybody or all the GTRs here are still rocking twin turbo setup.
That melody,
Oh
bro?
my god, that sounds so fucking good.
That melody, bro.
Ooh.
That's the best song I ever heard.
Damn. I've heard some good inline sixes in my day.
You know that meme? You hear how smooth and linear it felt?
Dude.
Hey, you know that meme where they fucking put the volume up to 11, bro? That's the one, dude.
Turn it up. Do it louder. I'll give you $1,000 if I drive down the street.
let me see in there, bro. I'll give you 2K.
One
right
pull.
now.
Just one pull.
Hey, bro, get some pictures with me, bro.
One pull. I'll give you my M3 right now. You let me drive for a day, I'll give you my M3.
I'll pull out everything in my bank account, man. Everything.
I'll give you half of that car, bro.
Damn, hey,
Loki.
Y'all didn't hear shit, bro.
Loki, bro.
32 and a 34 side by side. £250. Risers on the wing.
Series?
Got an F series?
Yeah, fuck yeah. F-Series are the shit.
F series, they're good, but like E92, E46.
E46 is cool.
E46 is fantastic.
E46 is cool.
Yeah, I know. The common like misconception with people is like they'll buy those.
I mean, if it's an E46 that's not reinforced, throw it in the trash.
Oh
Damn.
no, you have to reinforce it.
Like, why would you sell a car that's paper thin? Like,
Yeah. I mean, they sell 240s.
Yeah, look.
I could,
240s exist.
bro, you could flip a 240 10 times over, crush it, and it'll still drive. And your
you're right.
suspension, your subframe won't fall out.
You're right.
But I mean, the torque is different from the factory though. So
Yeah, it's 26 or 25 in it,
actually,
Jay-Z in it.
I'm just saying.
Have you heard?
You're in the wrong
have you
tuning
heard-
shop, bro.
Have you heard of BMW?
I have two of
Sounds
them.
like Chewbacca getting fucked. Seriously.
I love this argument.
If BMW boosted sounds
bro.
great.
This is like a fucking.
BMW boosted is nice, but I'm a purist.
An NA BMW
though.
sounds. Oh, it sounds like a girl getting her hair pulled. In the face.
I mean, you don't. That's not what you're into.
No, I mean, like, conceptual, but it seems like you're just like beating it.
Oh man. I love this argument.
That and a 350Z straight pipe.
Oh,
Ah, yeah, you're right about that.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what's the point of a hood probably gonna zip tie down?
I lost the fucking
The little plastic thing.
clip.
Amazon, dog. You
Go on,
probably
this
get that shit.
Probably.
Seriously.
Gun, the impact gun.
I'll use my hand first.
Oh, that's more good.
What's on your? You have a key? Or?
Not turbo, you can see it from fucking here.
It is somewhere. Probably out there. Okay, we got that house.
Momo seat. Oh, yeah.
I got
That Euro stuff. Ooh, IRP shift knob. Hell yeah. It's a Hydro, so Chase Space Hydro. This is probably gonna be drifted right here. Motegi wheels. Out here. Let's get a new fuel filter in, since we're not doing shit right now.
I got a new spark plug on it too.
You got any spark plugs?
Yeah, I got a new spark plug.
So just offered him a fuel filter. So fuck it, let's just put it on.
Oh, you're gonna have them gap them? Okay.
He didn't even ask how much it was.
No, you just did it.
Bro, it's just $500, bro.
Hey, bro, you need like another 2 horsepower. Okay, for sure. Yeah, let's just do it.
Yes, just yes.
Every time.
Hey, bro, do you? Oh, E85 fucking peels your skin off, so be careful.
Oh, you lied.
Nah, I was kidding.
You thought.
It might shit, I don't know.
It might shit all over.
I'm telling you, my skin's already peeling, bro. What's lotion?
That is lotion, bro.
What the hell? What kind of fuel filter was this, bro?
The new ones, huh? That everyone has.
Bro, this is like a lawnmower fuel filter right here, bro.
Yeah, it smells like the fucking nasty ass sanitizer, bro.
Anything over
Oh, yeah, it
50, I'm
does.
taking it back off.
Maybe that's
I
what they
have
use.
sanitizer.
That's the same one you
Damn, look at that. Easy access, bro. Isn't it the wrong way,
Oh,
though?
it did. Babe, can I see your
Isn't
keys?
it
Bro,
fine?
it's the...
It has an arrow pointing back to the fucking fuel tank, bro.
Dude, you're right.
This dude.
I thought it was... Both ways, bro. That's why I got you here, bro.
Everything. When I first smelled it,
Hey, find the rack, though.
I'm gonna get tuned. It's not. It's running lean. It's running lean. It's my injectors.
And even if you're mask, you can still smell it.
Good thing I had the letters facing up, bro.
Where's your keys at?
What keys?
There you go. Look at that. Arrow. So you don't make those kind of mistakes. Make sure it catches fire.
Yes.
It's good content right there, bro.
Fire extinguisher. Oh, I don't have the fire
There's
extinguisher.
fuel leaking down there. Did it just drain down or what?
Yeah.
You're good.
What are these?
2 days.
What even are those? He said. Hey, what fuel pack is this, Sam?
P2M.
Oh, phase 2 more sport.
Yeah.
It looks like those. What's those ones all the way up phase 2? Something fire, Spitfire? Is that what- Yeah, I think they are Spitfires.
No.
And then there's like the family inside the brand.
So what we doing, Sam?
Got new spark plugs.
We gap the spark plugs so it doesn't gap a hole in the block.
Old spark plugs are a little smoked.
Yeah. Is it rocking original spark plugs?
No, BKR 8. So they run colder.
But then
They run colder?
Yeah, colder.
Is that a higher heat range or what?
It was just a residue.
Higher heat range, so they run colder, right?
I don't know. Shit.
Something like that.
Ask Andrew that, bro.
I remember he told me last time we tuned it. Because the stock ones are BKR 6.
How do you get spark plugs to run colder?
They,
It's the way they burn.
yeah, the way they burn hotter or burn colder.
Yeah.
Some shit like that.
Yeah, it's the way they burn.
Right? You know what I'm talking
All
about?
it does is spark though, bro.
Yeah.
Science, bro.
No. No, it's how the spark determines how the fuel burns.
Oh, like how it ignites.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you burn E85 hotter, I mean,
I believe it.
You get more power.
Can I get a more power, baby? A more power, baby! Testify! A more power, baby!
no,
burn hotter?
no. E85?
Does it burn hotter?
No, it doesn't. It burns cooler. That's what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
that's what I thought. That's why.
That's what I'm saying. If you burn E85 hotter, then you're gonna lose power if you have the wrong spark plugs in.
Right. You don't want to use an octane spark plug on
Yeah. Yeah.
BKR8. Wonder what those are off of. Part number 2668. Write that down. Write that down.
Hey, you kids taking notes around here?
I like my job.
Dude, I don't even know how much that fucking fuel filter costs, bro.
Dude, that's like $100 filter.
God damn it.
It really is.
I'm pretty sure it is.
Anything E85 and stainless steel is fucking expensive.
Come on, baby.
But maybe he could give you a 10% discount.
Something.
Fucking magnet. Oh, the pain.
Bro, this thing is fucked.
So why'd you wait till we went to the damn freaking shop to gap the spark plugs and put them in, Sam?
Cause my car runs really rich, bro.
Jennifer's got me.
Runs super rich.
What are you gapping it at?
22,000?
22,000 a bitch?
Yeah. 22,000.
0.022?
0.022
Damn, what the fuck? What?
horsepower, bro. You don't want to blow out the spark. There we go.
We can do a cheaper version.
I just see
CD5 transmission. He said it was off a G37. Interesting. Cut the bell housing right here. And you can swap it up into an SR20. Take notes, guys.
More power than both my cars.
At 3,000.
At 3,000 RPM, more power than both my cars.
Wait, how much did it make at 3,000?
270.
Yep.
Torque?
Yeah, torque.
What's the horsepower?
Horsepower was that? There's no power.
Like 170.
It didn't kick in yet. Yeah.
Oh, you're not gonna hit high.
3,000, bro.
Yeah.
We're making boost by 3,000? 8 pounds of boost by 3,000.
You're already making boost right now?
8 pounds.
Where does it tell you to boost on there? Does it tell you?
Right there, the minus, right?
Now it's green. When it goes into boost, it turns yellow.
3,500 RPM. Not even in boost.
At 3,000, it made 8 pounds.
That was 300 torque.
300 torque?
Yeah, that was 12 psi, 300 torque.
35.
Look at happy he is. Look at his smile.
At 3,500 RPM.
3,500 RPM, that made 300 pounds of torque.
289.
Fucking shitting on everything already.
We haven't even got to the pulls yet.
For real.
He's just doing RPM right now.
3,500 RPM, bro.
Already at 12 psi,
Doing
dude.
like drivability.
Yeah.
Like load engine, because the dyno's putting load on the drivetrain.
Yeah.
It's not just free spinning.
Yeah.
The dyno's holding it at that RPM.
It's like the road, like your wheels are on the road.
Yeah, like literally like going uphill. That's what it's doing.
What the fuck?
You know how treadmills have that resistance?
Yeah.
That's what it does.
Engine RPM. What is
340.
that? Torque.
325. 325 torque.
So maxed out about 350 torque, I think.
The torque's on the left. 325. Horsepower made 340. Oh, 348, almost 350. This is manifold pressure. That's how much boost it made. And it was holding the boost. Like the boost didn't fall
So
off.
right now you're at about 15 pounds.
It peaked at like around 15, yeah. Peak torque was at
Torque runs around what, 5,000?
like 4,000.
Oh yes, yeah. The peak, yeah. Then it drops back up at like 45, 5,000-ish.
It drops off. Yeah, it drops off like at 5, 5.5.
5 drops down, horsepower decent.
It holds it pretty good though.
Yeah.
The cam is good. That's a lot of torque for a big cam.
That is a lot of torque.
Usually when you do a big cam, you sacrifice the torque.
Yeah, usually sacrifice the torque because of low end.
Yeah.
Check a fuel pressure. For that 321 torque, horsepower is about 360. Running, I think it's running about 15 pounds of boost right now.
You got a 255 in there? I think so. No. Maybe it's a 450.
The wiring, probably not.
Even then, though, it would have melted the wires if it was a real 450. You know, there are fake ones out there, but I highly doubt it. Though.
Are you sure?
running out of fuel? The pressure drops. It should. Oh, you watch this? I don't want to hurt the motor either, so we'll run up the pressure behind it.
Graph numbers. What's happening?
We're running out of fuel from the pump.
It peaks out or what?
Yeah, fuel pressure drop. I have a video of it.
So it goes what, 40 and it goes down or what?
If it dropped, then that's your issue for sure.
Yeah. It's leaning out. Well, it's like it's not a wall, bro. It's a 450 fucking.
Then it's not a 450. Break it, right? You can't go wrong with Cameron.
I'm going to break it.
You can't. But I mean, just keep it around
320 and 360. Ran out of fuel pressure. I think it's going to be a fuel pump.
If I had a 450, it would have.
It should be no more than 500.
No, but it would have melted the wires. If you really had a 450 in it.
I know, I did tell him that he needs to redo that shit 100%.
It should be fine. That relay, it should be fine. It's the one. It's this wire.
The wire going back into the.
Yeah.
Yeah, the one going back in.
Yeah, the relay's honestly fine. It's just this that's gonna be the problem.
Yeah, but you want to do some fancy race car shit to this.
Alright, I'm gonna get that over now.
Damn, bro. You got your another set of customers? I thought you guys were with them.
My guy, thank you.
We got a pump?
We got pump.
Fuck yeah.
The neighbors?
Hell yeah.
They say we're live all the time, bro. Throw a little bit of chip to do the bulkhead.
Bro, I'll give him that
A
left
little
two,
bit of,
little 1-2 maybe there.
A little jerk.
McGregor action.
He's down.
Wait, I'll do it right now.
Look at him, he's ready.
I'll just milk him, bro.
He's ready.
I got you, bro.
Hell yeah. We got a pump. Hopefully it comes in and we're gonna be back in action. What the fuck? Oh my god, I'm pissed off at you. Who the fuck put a filter in there? Did you do that? I cut myself right now.
That was earlier.
So,
Oh, that's probably, I forgot about that. That was at the track and I forgot about that.
do you think if we pull out the filter, it'll be able to make the power?
It's not worth it. We'll just do it all right now at once.
Yeah. I mean, we're here, we might as well.
Do you have a full fucking tank too?
Yeah, not bad, bro.
You're good.
This thing goes through the whole tank when we tune it.
That's what you said? Yeah.
Something's stuck in there.
We always make up a plan anyway.
Stuck in where?
Like it's stuck.
Oh, it's just physically stuck. What's that boom thing? Yeah. I was like, what the fuck is that?
That's tight.
And then, yeah.
That's tight. There's all kinds of bad. No wonder.
Bro, we could probably throw this shit back in there without a pump and it might work.
Nah.
But let's not even try
No,
that.
those are trash.
Alright.
I'm gonna go grab that pump. Damn, that's a first.
You can laugh about it, bro.
That's tight.
First time for everybody around here. Alright, so the new fuel pump's all wired up. We'll slide it in there.
Sorry.
I hate that. I hate putting that bracket on.
Isn't it like, it's the worst part?
Like so far in the tank. You got any cuts on your hands? That shit burning?
Yeah, that shit burns.
Almost.
That-
But it came back out.
That alcohol content.
Yeah, he's a real one. Doing it, bro.
Look at this stance. Damn, son.
Fucking calves, bro.
The squat. It's the shit you have to do to get a 240 to make 450 wheel horsepower. Not guaranteed yet.
Parasite?
Got it?
In there. Yeah.
Gucci.
Good thing it's alcohol, so it's not too bad.
Do you want the rag?
Oh, your sniffer fell off,
Took like 5 minutes, changed out the O2 sensor. That was directly on the exhaust and on the tailpipe in the back. See how she does.
Man, I hope you don't run out of injector. I'll be sad.
There's no way. At this power band, bro? No way. You say you got like 1300 or some shit, no?
Shit's crazy. It's like 30 horsepower. 30 more horsepower. 30 more horsepower. Is it? Dude, 160 up to like 290.
We're running out of fuel with the injectors. Still.
They're thousands?
Well, they're the ones. Which ones are they? You said the ones that were no good.
They're FIDs. The ones that we took off Riley's. The ones that took off my FD. The ones with the little yellow circle on the side.
Yeah, yeah. Drift motion.
Yeah, the drift motion ones that were selling back in the day. Love those things.
We're about to get real 1300.
Yeah, before we could get IVs all day, we used to just go to drift motion. They work, but I don't feel like they're true.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
No.
I don't feel like they're true. Like IDs, bro, I feel like I've seen 1050 X's make over 500 horsepower. You know what I mean? So like, these are probably even thousands. They might say 1300s, but they're probably like thousands. Who knows, bro? Like,
yeah. Maybe
like that's why IDs are so expensive, because they go through their shit and then they give you charts, they give you everything.
I think it's the injectors?
It's injectors.
That's 1,000 cc, though. That's a lot, bro.
Yeah.
Huh?
We're running out though.
That's crazy.
That turbo is just too much.
It takes too much.
That's what it is. The turbo. It kicks in, and the turbo. The problem is the turbo is not falling off. The turbo just wants to keep going.
Yeah.
It's not even
So
started.
the fuel can't keep up with it?
Yeah.
Or that injector
The boost
can't
controller
keep
is
up with it?
turned off. Like it's all gauge. It's just spring pressure.
Yeah. So you're saying there's no like limit cutting it off right now? Shit. So it's infinite spool right now.
Oh no. Like there's no boost controller. Like we're not turning it up. This is just spring pressure. So it's at 15 pounds right now.
So the spring pressure is maxed out at 15 pounds.
The gate's a 15-pound gate,
Okay.
and it's opening at 15 pounds. And we want to turn it up right now, but we're running out of injector to turn it up. So he turned the boost controller off so that we don't run out of injectors.
Yeah.
'Cause it wants to keep making more power,
Yeah.
but we need more injector.
Yeah. How much is that gonna cost?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Enough.
So basically, your last tune was basically maxed out.
That's probably my last tune was probably maxing the injectors.
Yeah.
Because we made another like 20.
Yeah. That's all the injector.
But I mean, it's a damn reliable, 380 whatever.
Yeah.
And your turbo wasn't as demanding last time.
No, this thing making 4 pounds at 2,500 RPM. It's making 4 pounds.
That's like basically
That's like-
idling
dude,
speed
that's
and
like-
shit, bro.
That's like a V8, bro.
For real. That's technically more than the V8.
So I'm going to clean it up, try to make it extra flat, and then throw a little boost at it.
Okay.
I'd like to put the hood down. We can.
Heavy?
It's adjusting air fuel ratio right now. So he's gonna max out the duty cycle on the injectors to 90% and then up the boost just a little bit. See how much it puts up. Where we at right now? 316. Where we at, Sam? 316. 316? Torque?
That went lower.
It has 353 horsepower.
What's that?
353 horsepower.
Oh shit.
The whole thing went lower. Something probably happened.
Oh, he's trying to find a linear bound. About the same power. 320 torque, 350 horsepower right now. Trying to get it run probably linear. I mean, it could make it, but then you have to spend a shit ton more money to get back to,
It's a build.
Yeah.
That's how it is.
I mean, the thing is, he spends so much money on that turbo, you might as well try to get it to that point. You know?
I honestly would.
Yeah, like why would you like upgrade a turbo and still have it the same power as your previous turbo? You know, money pit.
It's the game.
It's a game, bro. It is a game. The difficulty level just went hard, bro. That's what it
See why I
is.
don't fuck with turbo?
copy.
No, it's not a real one, bro. They don't make them no more.
Oh, the Type S?
Yeah.
Sounds like it.
The replica.
Sounds like Fast and Furious.
The Ricer shit, bro.
I like that little whistle.
I had an HKS and I hated it.
Hey, what I was gonna say is that if you shorten your line.
The clutch is gonna explode and shit, bro. Lose my legs and shit, bro.
Fuck with the dyno, dude. Oh no, bro. It's the coolest shit ever, but it's the sketchiest shit ever.
For real, bro. Nearly 380 torque.
346. No, it's 215. The green is the one that's
the green is the current.
Yeah, 380. Oh, 360 torque right now.
660 did that thing? At 3,700 RPM. 257 horsepower. Turning up the boost, and then when we go to 70%, it just turns it all the way up.
What the fuck?
Like it's like a light switch. It's not like not gradual.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
It just fucking like clicks it on.
All the boosts are like just gate.
Yeah. What the hell?
When you go 65 duty cycle, it's gate. But when you go 70%, it's just like full boost. Like there's no wastegate.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Either it's like a vacuum problem or it's fucked up spring, huh?
I think it's all electronic. That's why. It's a fucking Acrow.
Yeah.
So it's not doing its job.
Yeah. So what injectors you gonna go with?
Injector dynamics.
Yeah, same 1300 or what?
Probably fucking 15.
Might as well. I've been watching
We'll just,
Yeah.
Just do it because we're already at this point.
It's like just that one time thing, bro.
Yeah.
It's like done. That's like the last thing we need. Get it done. It's like, I want to drive it on the street right now.
Yeah, if it'll let you, fuck yeah.
Yeah, he'll let me. What do you mean? He'll let me?
Oh yeah, like if it's safe to drive.
Oh no, yeah, it's fine.
I mean, I already did pulling it.
He did like a million pulls.
No, it's fine. It's just as long as we don't turn it up, we're good.
What is that?
356.
10 more horsepower.
There's some meth in there, bro.
That's why you do external wastegate, buddy.
I need more injector and more.
That's why we do external wastegate, huh?
I think it's easier to control. But I mean, internal's nice. It spools up nice and quick. It's fast. I mean, this should feel responsive as hell. You have for a non-variable cam engine, 300 pounds of torque.
Yeah,
3,500.
the graph looks really like it doesn't look like any flat. Yeah, there's no flat.
Oh, you think about it, they come up to power at 3,500. That's usually it's 5,000.
Yeah.
You know.
Try this shit.
That's 1,500 RPMs. Really, that's a lot. Yeah.
Linear power.
That's NA linear power right there, which is fantastic. Fantastic.
Hey, you gonna drive it on the street? Alright.
And do a burnout? Shit. It's gonna burn some fresh rubber. That new tune burnout. Almost got hit fucking slideshow style, bro. I thought he was gonna keep going, bro.
Like, dude, don't fucking do it, dog. Don't be that guy.
That exhaust sounds crappy, man. Oh, it's just a like a hum.
Hey, bro, your shit's whack.
Yeah.
Do it again.
Honestly, it's someone else. Riley's did the same. Hey.
We fast. My alignment's way off.
This cul-de-sac, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. See a smile on your face. Dropping hella money and shit, bro. That shit was silent. It's still recording, bro. Oh man.
It's just dumb.
Does it feel faster or about the same or what?
Feels more linear.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not quite as fast, but more linear.
Still hitting the manji. At one point, I was stuck.
Oh, you saw it?
Yeah, for real. I was like, oh shit.
I was stuck to the seat and I was like this, bro. I was like, fucking.
And this nigga, oh fuck!
Dude, that's what I was saying. I was like, this whole feature's gonna be losing.
My alignment was trash, bro.
Oh, for real?
It was trash.
Oh,